If you have trouble standing up from low surfaces, then this video is for you. Most of the time when you watch videos, including many of my own, about standing up from chairs, they'll tell you to bend your knees, lean your hips forward to load your weight over your feet, and then come up by pushing your feet forward. And that works really well because it uses your body weight to help drive your momentum up and get your center of gravity over top of your feet. But once you get below 90 degrees, the vector of your thigh bone is no longer going up and forwards, it's actually going up and backwards. And to get from below 90 degrees to 90 degrees, you're driving the opposite direction that you want to go. And so you need a tip to help make that work better. Now, because using your thigh muscles is going to drive you up and back that way, when you want to get your center of gravity over here, we need to change the axis of rotation. So rather than bending at the knees, we actually want to move down to the ankles. And to do that, you need a movement known as dorsiflexion. You need to get your center of gravity coming out this way. You can either do that using momentum, using your arms, reaching forward like that. Now, if you don't have that momentum, you can just use your hands. There's no rule to say that you can't use your hands to stand up. And in this purpose, it works really well that you just push up with your hands. You see you kind of pivot around your ankles, and you pivot to the point where essentially you get your bottom above your knees, and that way it becomes just like the previous technique where you push the hips forwards and stand up.